Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Last week, we learned how to read time in English, right? And we also learned something about Peter and Helen. Now, let's have a very quick review. Eyes here. What's the time? Good. Next one. Last one. So when do we use to and when do we use past there? Yes, please.
When the minute 小于30分钟的时候是 past，而当这个时间是大于30分钟的时候用 to。
Okay. Yes. Anything to add?
我觉得等于30分钟也能用 past。
But we use another word instead of quarter. Half, right? Thank you. And we know Peter is very early at school that day. Why? Yes. Then what about Honey? And we use one phrase to talk about Honey. What is that? Honey can make good use of his time. Yes. Today we are going to listen to another conversation between two students here. One is Paul. The other one is Yes. So what is Lu Jiaqi doing here and what are they talking about? Please discuss with each other and share your ideas. Go. Time is up, everyone. An idea? What is Lu Jiaqi doing? Anything, please?
I think Lu Jiaqi is asking Tom some question like, when do you get up? When do you eat breakfast?
Okay, asking some questions. Any other ideas? Yes, from you.
Lu Jiaqi is having an interview. He asked Tom some questions about his daily routine.
That's a good word. Interview. Can we spell that together? What is the part of speech?
Verb.
What does that mean? Together, interview. Interview. So maybe she is interviewing Tom, right? Then what are they talking about? Here's one phrase we learned. Daily routine. Yes, maybe they're talking about Tom's daily routine. Now please open your books. Let's read the conversation quickly and check if our guesses are correct. So are we correct?
Yeah.
Daily routine. Are we correct? Yeah. So you see, some of the parts are missing in the conversation. What kind of words are we going to write here? Time. So now we're going to listen to the conversation and write the time there. Tell me, are you going to write the numbers or English? Numbers. That's smart. Now get ready. Have all the answers? Yeah. Check with each other quickly. Okay. Stop here, please. Jump. First one. What is the saying? Highlight it, please. And then highlight the saying here. Early to bed, early to rise. What is that? Can you use English to explain that? Go to bed early and then get up early. But you see, this sentence is not as beautiful as this one, right? So that's why it's always a good idea to use some sayings in your own writing. Clear? Well, everyone, if we're going to use a saying in our writing, when we're writing it, anything to pay attention to? That's one. Yeah, the first letter, we use big letter. Anything else? Yeah, a comma first, and then a quotation mark. Please circle this part. We're going to listen to the first part of the conversation and see how can we read it better. Please, eyes here and listen carefully. Here's some red parts, right? Yeah, sentence stress. Now please turn to page 94. Read this part by yourself and then highlight the important sentences. So what kind of words should we stress? Nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs. Then what about the unstressed words? Can we give an example for each one here? Right? This one? Good. Yes? He, she, I, Is can one example? This one should be do, does, did, may, will, should, blah blah. So we don't stress this kind of words, right? Now let's do some practice together. Now, four of you work together. Find all the stressed words in this conversation. Mark it on your book. Now, let's read this conversation again with beautiful stress. Hi, ready, go. Now, turn to page 62. You will see some questions on the top. I want you to take this part as the 任务型阅读 in your exam. Clear? So it means you need to answer all of the questions by yourself. You need to write them down. Make sure there is no grammar mistake. Clear? For number 2, what does Lu Jiaxi ask Tom about? Can we write all the questions there? Like list question 1, question 2, question 3. Can we? No, we need to summarize. Right? 你要自己总结出来一句话。Let's see the first one. What does Lu Jiaxi ask Tom about? Yes, your idea is correct, but listen to my sentence. Is that correct? He or she is asked about Tom's daily routine. Why? 2 verbs here, right? How can we correct it? She asks Tom about his daily routine. Yeah, we can use the phrase daily routine. And here we can use another one. School day routine. What is that? Yes, 学校日的日常生活. Then how to say 周末的日常生活? Weekend routine. Yes. Number 2. How long does Tom stay at school? First, Tommy, what is how long? So are you going to write a specific time or a period of time? 是一个具体的时间点还是一个时间段? Yes, a period of time. So what is your answer? Here is a school day routine or school day timetable of Tom. Now please finish this part by yourself. Read the conversation quickly and fill in the blanks here. If you're finished, please check your answers with each other by using 2 questions here. Let's read the first question together. Ready? Go. 10 to 7. Go. The second question. So, yeah, that's okay. We can use this question to ask about the time, and we can use this question to ask about the activity. Yes, now please check your answers with each other by using the questions here.